Because only the purpose of ಈಗ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಬರ್ಸ್ತಾನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಸಿ ಕೇಸ್ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಸಿಸಿ
ಅದನ್ನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಓವರ್ಲುಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕ ಬಂದು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. For that reason, my respectful submission before this.
Let's appear for
12.
Petitioner, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner is the plaintiff before the work tribunal court, my lord. Filed the suit for the declaration and permanent injunction. Before the work tribunal, my lord, in the initial stage, an ex parte temporary injunction was granted in favor of the petitioner, that is plaintiff, in respect of the suit scheduled property. It's a burial ground, my lord, Kabarstan, which is using by the both the all the Muslim religious faithful people, my lord. After granting the ex parte temporary injunction, summons was issued. The respondents have appeared and filed the written statement and also contested the IA number 1. That is, TI is confirmed by the honorable tribunal, my lord, and matter posted for the issues, my lord. On the next date, issues date, my lord, they filed the application IA number 5 under order 26 rule 9, that is page number 44, my lord, annexure E, my lord. So as to that application
Inspect
was
the
filed
property, draw the boundaries, fix
to
the
measure and fix the boundaries of the suit scheduled properties. And also return statement suit scheduled properties and draw sketch with the entire topography showing the situation of the properties of the plaintiffs and defendants.
Yes.
The contention of the response, the defendants before the in the application, nowhere application, the plaintiff, the petitioner, the encroach the property. That is the affidavit in para number 4 of the application. Nowhere in the written statement, my lord, in respect of the encroachment
This
of
has to ascertain what the boundaries are. The court wants to ascertain what the boundaries are.
My
What can be wrong with that?
my respectful submission.
You
In
should
the
be
initial-
happy with it. This will help you.
In the initial stage, my lord, no active issues not yet from no oral evidence from my side and other side is
Not required. That is, all those decisions are old decisions.
no, my
Not
lord.
the Supreme Court decision at any stage.
My respectful submission, my lord. It's only because further, my lord, against the defendants, my lord.
Mr. Mariappa, if you are opposing the application, it only indicates that you are not.
No, not like that. A criminal case is registered against regarding the demolition of our Kabarstan compound wall, my lord.
Can the boundaries change of any property? Can it change?
That is not disputed in their written statement.
Let it be ascertained, let the report come,
It's only a collection of evidence, my lord. That too in
a
the,
collection of evidence only. The boundaries, what are there, that will be safeguarded by the court.
that too, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ in the written statement, nowhere they stated in respect to the encroachment and other things.
You should have welcomed this order. The fact that you are opposing indicates otherwise.
Because only the purpose of ಈಗ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಬರ್ಸ್ತಾನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಸಿ ಕೇಸ್ FIR ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಸಿಸಿ
ಅದನ್ನು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಓವರ್ಲುಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕ ಬಂದು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. For that reason, my respectful submission before this.
Let's appear for respond number 2 to 8, my lords. May I make submission?
You should know when to talk, when not to talk. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್.
My respectful submission, my lord. At this stage of,
Let it come. Let it come on record. This will help you also probably if you are right.
One more, my submission. The honorable tribunal directly upon the court commission. They have not given the opportunity to file the memo of instructions and other things.
Memo of instructions ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Directly they give the.
Because the court has said whatever has to be done, court has fixed. ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾದ್ರು ಮೆಮೋ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನೇ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Straight away the court directed the respondent to deposit the sum amount and directed the ತಾಲೂಕು ಸರ್ವೆ.
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Next hearing date, no opportunity is given by the honorable tribunals.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Next hearing date.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್ ವರ್ಗೂ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕು?
Next 14ಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Next hearing.
ಅದುವರೆಗೂ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ hearing date, because before the court on the
Then
hearing.
it is completely malified. I will dismiss it with cost.
No, my lord. On the hearing date.
Before this court. We are giving an opportunity, give it tomorrow. ಅದು ಬೇಡ.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Next hearing date.
ಇವತ್ತು 9 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 14 ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯುನಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. We will file, but it has to be filed in the office, my lord. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್, ನಾಟ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು 9 ತಾರೀಕು 14 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಡೇಟ್.
Mr. Mariappa, by that time it will be executed. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಮೊ.
ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Petitioner is before this court seeking for the following leaves. The petitioner had filed a suit in OS number 13 of 2025 seeking for declaration that the plaintiff is the absolute owner of the suit scheduled property, which is a burial ground, a consequential permanent injunction restraining defendants from interfering with the peaceful possession and enjoyment of the plaintiff. In the said suit, an application order 39 rule 1 and 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure having been filed, an order of injunction was granted. Thereafter, the defendants filed this application in IA number 5 and order rule 9 of order 26 of the Code of Civil Procedure for appointment of a commissioner to inspect the property and submit the application in the page number.
And actually email page number 44, my lord. To measure and
Fix the boundaries of the properties of the suit plain scheduled properties and the written statement scheduled properties, and draw a sketch with the entire topography showing the situation of the properties of the plaintiff and defendants. The said application having been allowed by order dated 29/8/2025, the petitioner is before this court challenging same. Shri Lordu Mariappa, learned counsel for the petitioner, would submit that issues are yet to be framed, and before issues being framed, a commissioner cannot be appointed. The appointment of a commissioner and discharge of the commissioner warrant would amount to collection of evidence, and as such, before evidence is led by the parties, a commissioner cannot be appointed. I am unable to accept the said submission of learned counsel for the petitioner in light of the judgment of the coordinate bench of this court in blank, wherein this court has categorically held that appointment of a commissioner in matters relating to boundary disputes and or the like would have to be done at the earliest so as to save the time, precious time of the court. In the present matter, there is apparently a dispute as regards the boundaries, inasmuch as the plaintiff has given one boundary in the plaint and the defendant has given another boundary in the written statement, claiming the written statement scheduled property to belong to the defendant. For the purpose of ascertainment of the same, the trial court and the Waqf tribunal, in my considered opinion, has rightly appointed a commissioner which cannot be found fault with. However, the trial court, the Waqf tribunal has not provided an opportunity to petitioner to furnish a memo of instructions in the discharge of the commissioner warrant. In that view of the matter, both the petitioner, who is the plaintiff, and the respondent number 2 to 8, who are the defendants therein, are permitted to submit the respective memo of instructions to the commissioner. Commissioner
Taluk surveyor.
Commissioner
Taluk surveyor, which shall be so furnished to the said Taluk surveyor before the end of day 10th October 2025. In the event of the memo of instruction not being furnished by end of day 10th October, the Taluk surveyor shall go on and carry out execute the commissioner warrant in terms of the order passed by a trial court. With the above observation, the petition stands dismissed.
Shall I put this in the court, my lord? In the our Taluk.
Mariappa, it is to be returned by 1410.
Yes.
Astrologer commissioner will execute the warrant and will submit a report. You want that to happen?
No, notice kottilla swami.
Nimishta.
I want to clarify that regarding to file the memo wishing the court, my lord.
To the Taluk surveyor by end of day tomorrow.
I saw.
Adhe clear ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ.
Much.
Sunday or measurement ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು.